All right, so this is what I'm doing for the next 63 days. I will be posting on YouTube so that I can see what happens. Come on and join me. You know you want to. You've been saying you're going to do it. Now stop saying it and let's get busy doing it. Hey, everybody. Well, how are you doing? Listen, I want to know something. Have you always wanted to have a YouTube channel, but you just didn't know where to start? Okay, well, I want you to join me as I start another YouTube channel. Well, I shouldn't say another YouTube channel. I'm actually getting ready to get serious about the YouTube channel I have. Oh my gosh, I have so many ideas of what I want to do. And the other day I made a post out on Facebook about staying focused, staying focused and picking one thing, one problem, one lane. And I am notorious for going down 15 rabbit holes at the same time. And then I can't figure out how to get back to spot one. But I am going to spend the next 63 days. Why 63 days? Because I'm 63 years old this year. So I'm going to spend the next 63 days building up my YouTube channel. And what does that mean for the next 63 days? I'm going to be making YouTube videos. So come and join me as I journey down this particular road. Y'all, I used to get on here every day for almost 2.5 years and I did videos. So I think that's probably why I shy away from it a little bit because I know it takes time. And someone might be saying, oh, well, you can batch create and do it. You still got to get it all together. You have to come up with your thoughts. Now with AI, of course, I can stick my thought into AI and say, "Hey, chat, this is what I want to do. Create some ideas around this," and then you have to go out and create how you want it to come up. You know how you want it to evolve. I also have AI create my outlines. So because I love to talk, y'all, and I will go down a rabbit hole and it won't have anything to do with what we're supposed to be talking about. So if I have an outline, I kind of sort of stay on target. Sort of. So if you're like me, you can have ChatGPT, Claude, whomever it is you like to use. It doesn't matter. They all do the same thing. Slightly different, but they all do the same thing for you, and it can help you create an outline. Now, if you're going to batch create, you're going to see me in the same top for a few videos. Who cares? It's okay. You can make one long video and then edit it, or you can make a series of videos. And that way you don't have to edit anything. I prefer making a series of videos, keeping on the same clothing, and making my series of videos. And then for that week, I already have my videos done. You don't have to do them that far out. But for me, child, putting on makeup, putting on lipstick, getting my little eyes together one time, once a week, okay? Because I ain't playing with y'all. But at any rate, so you do it however you want. But most of your video creators who are out there who are really doing really well on what do you call it? YouTube. What they do is they batch create. And you're like, well, how do you know? Well, as much information that and as many master classes that I've been in, that's the same theme I keep hearing over and over and over: batch create, batch create, batch create. And so that's why when you are just coming into this world of YouTube and making videos and things like that, it seems overwhelming because you were missing that one piece about batch creating. Okay, all right. So we're gonna make this easier for you. So somebody may be saying, well, what videos do I make? Well, the other day, I want to say it was on Monday or Tuesday of this past week, February 1, February 4th. So that would have been February 2nd or 3rd. Is that right? I don't know. Start of February. I posted 84 ideas. Pick one and run with it, honey. Okay. Good goodness, pick one and run with it. So what I'm going to be doing is my channel is going to have, oh, excuse me. And no, I'm not editing that out. This is just the real world. Um, but my YouTube channel is going to have two folds. I'm going to be restarting my Etsy store. So I know I've been restarting it forever, but I'm going to restart my Etsy store. And each of these two projects that I'm doing, they actually work hand in hand together. I'm going to create 64 different things that are going to go into my Etsy store, and I'm going to be creating 64 videos. Wait, I'm 63. Oh, don't add that extra. 63. 63 different videos. So you can put whatever goal you want. Some people put the goal of 100, some people put the goal of 10. Maybe 63 number is just too big for you. That's okay. But just get started. Walk with me, copy me. Listen, after you watch my video, go out there, go onto YouTube, download the transcript, go put that transcript into ChatGPT, and whatever your niche, whatever, however you want to say it, whatever one yours is, say, chat, give me an outline like this, or take this video and make it fit into my niche. All right. If you don't know what to say, it's okay. Copy, honey. Copy it, and you're making it your own. Don't make it harder than it has to be. But here's the thing that you have to do. You just have to get started. So what I posted out there the other day were faceless video ideas. Mine's going to be face forward. Yours can be faceless. But all I want you to do is just to get started, because in this world that we are living in, as much information as I am getting about AI, some of it is alarming. Some of it is like, wow, this technology is just phenomenal. The reason why it's alarming to me is that the way AI is moving, and it's moving so fast, even the credentials, I've been certified. And the day that I came out of certification, a lot of what I learned, it was obsolete. It's changed so fast that I was like, dang, a lot of that information is just, we've gone past it so fast that it just doesn't work for where we are right now. So what they're working on right now is more automation with robotics. And there are going to be many more jobs that will be displaced. So what I am encouraging people to do, it's not easy. You're tired. You just got home from work. You want to relax. But while you are relaxing over there on that couch with your legs kicked up, while you have a paycheck coming in, start your side business. And the side business doesn't have to be something big and takes a lot of your time. Do a faceless channel. Is there work that you're going to have to do? Absolutely. I hate that the people have projected this stuff as it's passive income. Not in the beginning. It's not passive at all. In the beginning, you're going to have to put in work. All right? Get passive out of your head. There may be one or two of you that the word passive, it just turns into something because you found a combination that just works and your stuff goes off overnight. Okay, for the most part, that ain't gonna happen. All right. So you're gonna have to do some legwork. There's gonna be some research. Even if you pick a faceless channel, you still have to put everything together. All right. You have to go over to 11 Labs for the voiceover. You have to go over to Canva or Pixabay or whatever, or InVideo, whatever the other one is, to get your images. Then you have to create a script for each one of these. So it's not passive. And I don't even want to put it off as passive. There is work that you're going to have to do. But if you're doing this now, while you still have money coming in, as it begins to take off, and if something was to happen where there was a change up and more of your job went to automation, and now you're in a position where you're like, well, what do I do now? At least you already have something that is beginning to become a income stream. It may not be a large income stream in the beginning, but it can be. It can turn into that. And I do know quite a few people who have made quite a bit of money off of faceless channels. All right. So if that's not your zhuzh, if YouTube is nowhere near your zhuzh, I have been posting things out there on my channel or on my Facebook page for the last week, and for the whole month of February. I will be posting different things that you can do. You are going to have to learn how to use AI productively. And that means going beyond the prompts that I put out there for you to create beautiful pictures. The reason why I do that is because pictures are something that's fun. Pictures are something that you are safe, you feel safe with, and you don't mind creating a photo of yourself where you look glamorous. But once you know that you can do that, you can do so much more. And there are so many ways that AI can help you. So as I learn them, I'm going to share them with you. And I'm sharing them, I'm kind of like dripping them out because I want to wet your whistle. I want to get you excited about the pictures and the easy things that we can do so that once we begin to move into the meatier things, you're no longer afraid of it and you can see how it can help you. Now, here's the deal. You've been using AI. We just didn't call it AI. It had a different name. But now that we've given it a name, everybody's, okay, we've been using it. Your phone is AI. I know I say this so many times when I get on here, but your phone is AI. All right. So you've been using it. Alexa, all your ring, all that. It's AI, guys. So we've just given it a name. And now what you're going to have to do is even on your jobs, you're going to have to learn how to figure out now, okay, since we know AI is coming in and it's coming in quicker than we actually thought it was. Listen, y'all, some of the things that I have been researching, and I get reports weekly. I stopped it from being daily because it was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. So now I do a weekly, and they're projecting like in the 2030s. We in 2026. 2030 is 4 years away, that what we know as the workforce is going to be entirely different. So I need you, not out of fear, not out of panic, but just out of, I need to learn this so that I'll be able to function in the world. I just want you to start getting your feet wet and going beyond the um, simple things of AI and really digging in. It can actually help you possibly save your job for a little bit longer. Meaning, how can it do that, Chantel? Well, you can put into AI. Now, listen to me carefully. You do not put in any information that gives away any um legal things about your job, because that can get you fired. But you can tell it, this is the type of work that I do. How can you help me speed up my processes? And then you tell it what your processes are, and it can show you how it can help you. So now when they come around and they start doing these budget cuts, the key word is budget cuts. You can show them, oh, well, look at this is what I've done. Da, 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 da. And they're like, oh, wait, what? I was just talking to a man today who actually has a franchise, and I was telling him some things he could do, and he was like, I never thought of that. And I was like, yeah. But he said that he would love to do that, but it would have to go through the franchise. So then my mind began to start ticking, and I'm like, why don't I contact the franchise before him? And I told him, I said, what I just explained to you, because he was like, well, maybe the franchise can begin to do this. And I was telling him, I was like, I do that. That's what I do. And he was like, oh. So see, a lot of things that we're like, I was telling him how he can make money even though his particular business closes at 9 p.m. That doesn't mean that calls won't come through. That doesn't mean that you can't have some type of function that goes out and seeks out people. They can place their orders, they can have their orders begin to be processed and shipped to them. You're not losing out on money. All right. So there you're going to have to begin to open up your thinking and saying, how can I have AI come in and help me? All right. It's just here to enhance what we do. Some jobs will disappear because the machines can do it faster than we can. Absolutely. I've shown online how quickly I can take a thought from my head, put it into AI, and it produces what I need in a matter of seconds. A human being just can't do it. First of all, you got to type it. You got to think it. You got to type it. You got to go back and correct it. You got to. Now you're 3 days in. AI would have done it in less than 5 seconds. So you're going to have to learn how to allow it to help you do things a little bit faster. All right. Okay, so this video is much longer than I wanted it to be. I really wanted it to be about a 5 or 10 minute video, but come and join me on YouTube, Edge Effect AI, as I begin my YouTube journey and the revamping of my Etsy store. And of course, you all know that I do house a lot of my stuff out on Stand Store. I don't just have one form of an outlet. You want to have many forms of an outlet when you're trying to do an organic reach. I might start doing more ads, but I'm trying something different. I want to try something a little differently and do organic reach because I really want to see how organic reach is in this time with AI. There's just a little something that I'm doing. All right. So I hope that you come and join me. In the comments, type either Etsy or YouTube to let me know that you are interested so that I'll know which focus is what people really want me to focus on. All right. So in the meantime, go over to my Facebook page. Then in my Facebook page, look up the I want to say it was either Monday or Tuesday. Look up the post where I gave you 84 ideas of faceless channels. That's not the end all be all. If you have something totally different, then go with what you have. And let's begin to get on here together. I can help you come up with ideas to create a product to go along with it, whether it be a guide, whether it be a template, whether it be an ebook. Some of you all, you've been waiting to write your books. You have a book inside of you that needs to come out. Baby, I have a tool that will help you write your books. Now, it can't write the book for, well, it could, but then it wouldn't be from you. But it can, but it can help you create your outline. And if you have bits and pieces here and there of what you want to say, you can drop that in and it can help you create the outline where it flows. And once you have that outline of where you want to go with it, you might have chapter 1, chapter 5, chapter 3, chapter 7 over here, bits and pieces, but it begins to merge it all and meld it all together. And it may even switch some things around for you so that it flows better and you can create your book. You've been waiting the last 20 years to do it, so come on and let AI help you do a little bit faster. All right. You pastors out there, you can take your sermons and turn them into books. They can be your devotionals. Hello. Come on. We want to stretch your mind. We want you to take this tool that you've been given and allow it to help you move things along a little bit faster. All right. So if you're interested in that, I'll have the link to that down in the comments. Everything that I mentioned, I'll have the link down in the comments. But I want to know, do you want me to work on Etsy or would you rather me work on the YouTube? What is it that you want to see? All right. Okay. So I hope you join me. YouTube, Edge Effect AI.